If you feel like there's too many crafters out there selling and doing the same thing that you do, you're not alone. But guess what? Competition isn't the problem. The problem is blending in. Today, I will show you 3 ways to make your craft business stand out. That way, customers always pick you over the competition. Number 1, your unique story is your superpower. People buy from people. They don't just buy products. Share your craft journey. What makes your product so special over somebody else's? What got you started? Why do you do what you do, and why is it so special? What's the extra energy that you put in it, the extra love you put in it? Explain these things to people. It makes a difference. Maybe you want to take and do little videos or pictures of you doing a little bit of what you do. Don't show all your trade secrets, but show the love and the things that you put in it, or whatever it is that makes yours so much more special than the one down the road. Number 2, branding. It's so much more than just a logo. Anybody can put their initials on something. You have to create your branding. Pick a consistent color palette and scheme. If you notice me, I do lots of purple and black because it's my favorite colors, okay? What's yours? You need to have a recognizable style. That way, when a customer sees something, they know it's yours and not a competitor's. How do you make yours stand out? These are things you have to work out to make sure that yours stands out from everybody else's and they know it's your work. Think of something like Starbucks. Everybody knows that symbol belongs to them. So if that symbol's on a cup, they know that cup came from Starbucks and not Dunkin' Donuts. And if you're doing things online, or you have a portfolio of some sort or something, professional looking photos are so important. You don't want to be taking pictures where you got cat hair laying all over the place, or, something like that. You want good quality pictures. It makes a difference. Number 3, create an unforgettable customer experience. Depending on what you're making, beautiful packaging that equals a premium experience to customers, especially with something they want to give as a gift. You don't just have something that you're just throwing in a bag. Make it look nice. Add little personal touches, thank you notes, little freebies, different little things. It makes a difference. Anytime somebody places an order through my store, I always include a free gift. People like getting a free gift. They like a thank you note. They love those things. Make sure that you do that little bit of extra. It doesn't have to cost you a lot, but that little bit of extra, make sure that that customer comes back to you the next time and sends their friends. And you can offer special things to your loyal clients. Maybe you do a DIY content for them, maybe even a VIP discount. You have to figure out what works for you depending on your market, what you're selling, and where you're selling it. But these are all things to think about that helps for those repeat buyers. Now that we've got you standing out, let's make sure that you actually sell. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to sell your crafts without feeling pushy. So go click on that part 3 because it's coming right up.